JJ. Somebody spoiled. JJ's definitely not spoiled. Little birdie. It's like, give me scritches or I bite you. Yeah, that's what happens a bit. Look at those pins. Oh my. Crabby girl. It's Crabby girl. She's loaded with pins. That's why she's crabby. Daddy has to work it. Oh, it's not good. It's very sensitive. It has needs beyond what I could provide. Slow but steady. We get the pins. It's like a porcupine. Jordan, that's itchy, I bet. You know, get your lizard skin under there. Oh my, look at all that. Oh. Daddy has to take care of that. It's a tough job. I gotta get rid of all those pennies under your muttons. Get the muttons. There's some pin there. Oh my, Jordan. You're a wreck. This has got to be so uncomfortable. I know. I gotta work it. Yeah, it feels good, don't it? Look at that eyes. He's looking. Okay, JJ, you spoiled. You a spoiled girl. I wish I could be this spoiled. Oh, it's crabby. I hit a pin wrong. It's like working with a landmine or something. You trigger the fuse, you pay the price. Oh, JJ. What's all this? Gotta work it. Gotta work your cockatiel. You gotta work it. You're getting recorded, Jordan. I don't know if you consent to this, but you get your scritches. Good scritchies, okay. I gotta let you get some peace, maybe. Keep working the pins. Oh boy. Oh, I got bit. Warning shots. Oh, I can't handle it. I know. It's tricky. It's so painful, I bet. Oh, I can only imagine. It can be very delicate. Okay. JJ, you spoiled girl. You spoiled. Oh no, I got the pin again. Okay, bye-bye.